Hello guys and welcome to today's video. My name is Reggie Was, and today we're going to be looking at how you can stop your lagging, freezing and glitching on your Xbox. There's a lot of reasons this may happen, a couple of which I will go over in the video, but one of which is the main reason, I will go over in detail. Now quickly before this video starts, I'd really like to say, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, as it does help me out a lot more than you'd expect. And also, like the video, thank you very much. And without further ado, let's get into the video. For the first bit, I'm going to need you to go to the icon on the far right of the top bar when you press the home button. This is the settings icon. Now what I'd like you to do is go into settings and network and go into test network connection to see if it is a problem with your Wi-Fi. If it is a problem with your Wi-Fi, I'm unable to help you, unfortunately, but then you will have an idea of what the actual problem is, because I reckon that most people who've come to this video probably don't really know what the problem is. Our next little problem and solution is your storage being full. Often with storages that average around 85% upwards can affect the performance of an Xbox. It's not in every case though. It's not in a lot of cases, but this did happen to me, and what you're going to have to do, unfortunately, is delete some games from your console or apps, which you can always reinstall with the plugins and add-ons and stuff that you have. But that's just a bit annoying. But one other solution you can get is by one of Microsoft's hard drives, which I believe you can access while it's plugged in. So it can be like a storage kind of extender. So that would work also, I believe. And yeah, if it's your storage, just tell me if that works. I'm not advising you to go buy something because they're not cheap. But deleting something, because you can always reinstall them, would be a good thing to try. Don't buy things unless you've got a proper word from, because you can't trust me. I'm a random person on the internet just telling you what to do. But whatever. So those two were the kind of reasons that I can't really go into much depth with, but just give a little bit of insight in case they are your problems. Those have other solutions which I'm not really too sure of because there's a varied amount. Yeah. So I'm gonna mention the most common problem and the worst kind of problem, the one that's easiest to fix though as well. And it's the one that you probably have, and it happens quite often with especially the older Xbox models. The original Xbox One, and this one will probably work because it requires no money. It requires you to not do any kind of uninstalling of things, just a literal easy, just a really easy solution. And what to do. So the thing is that your cache, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it because I don't do proper research because I'm special. But anyway, that needs to be cleared, and the way you clear that is by turning your Xbox off and waiting for a few seconds after the light on the front of the Xbox is completely turned off. That is crucial. And then go into the back of the console and unplugging the power cable that is all the way to the far right if you're standing at the front of the console. And that has the Xbox symbol on it, or you know what I mean. And it's I think it's the biggest one, and you leave that out for I think 30 seconds minimum. And once you're done with that, what you want to do is plug it back in and just power on your Xbox normally. And once that's been done, you should be good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope this kind of helps to sort out your problems with your Xbox, if you've clicked on that video for this video for that purpose. So basically, all I'm gonna do here is ask for you to subscribe and like the video, as I really do appreciate it a lot. And I'm thinking of doing a thing for people who like and subscribe. I'm gonna shout them out at the beginning of every video, one person from the comment section who said it. Because why not? Why not help people out? Because it's all about that positive vibe. That is all from me. So I will see you guys all in the next one.